Hey everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to copy page in Word. Step 1. First, let's start by opening the Word document that contains the content you want to copy. Step 2. Next, for a better view, click on the View tab at the top of the screen. Under the Zoom section, select Multiple Pages. This will allow you to see more of your document at once, making it easier to find and copy the content. Step 3. Now locate the specific page or section that you want to copy. To select the content, you have a few options. If you want to copy the entire document, simply press Ctrl-A on your keyboard. This will highlight everything in the document. If you only want to copy a specific page, click and drag your mouse over the text you want to select. Alternatively, place your cursor at the beginning of the section, hold down Shift, and click at the end of the section to highlight it all. Step 4. Once your content is selected, press Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy it. You can also right-click the highlighted text and select Copy from the context menu. Step 5. Now open a new Word document where you want to paste the copied content. Step 6. To paste the text, right-click anywhere in the new document and select Keep Source Formatting from the Paste options. This ensures that the formatting stays the same as in the original document. Alternatively, you can go to the Home tab at the top, click the small arrow below the Paste button in the Clipboard section, and choose Keep Source Formatting. After pasting, you might need to make some edits or rearrange the content to fit your needs. Finally, don't forget to save your document. Click File, then Save As, and choose a location on your computer to store the new document. Give it a name, select your preferred file format, and hit Save. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.